It's South versus North this time as Chennai face Delhi in Sharjah in match number 34 of the Indian T20 League. And to help you make the right choices for your Fantasy 11, I'm now joined by Sanjay Majrekar on My 11 Circle Fantasy Pick on ESPN Cricinfo. A quick pro tip before you guys get going. Make the most of informed Shikhar Dhawan and the all-round ability of Sam Curran. Easy pro tip, easy to follow as well, isn't it?
Absolutely. And Dhawan, if it continues with the same intent, it's not so much about execution with Dhawan, it is the intent. And if he shows the same intent like he did in the last game, then there are some really good points to win from him.
Right, clearly, current form are the two buzzwords. But remember, a couple of players may or may not be available. Rishabh Pant definitely not playing. He underwent a fitness test just before the last game and he did not look 100% fit. And Delhi will not risk him for this game, but he should be back for the next. Shreyas Iyer hurt his shoulder in that last game against Rajasthan. While there is no official news on his availability, he did put out an Instagram story yesterday of getting some kind of laser treatment on his shoulder, and he is likely to play. Just a quick reminder of the rules as well for you guys. Please know that every user on My 11 Circle has 100 credits available to form the team. Each player has been assigned individual credit values, and users have to pick players from 4 categories: batsmen, all-rounders, wicket-keepers and bowlers, with a maximum of 7 players from one particular team allowed. We are going in with what we said in the pro tip. Shikhar Dhawan will be our captain. As Sanjay said, showed great intent in the game against Rajasthan where he scored a 33 ball 57. When he is in that kind of form, it is hard to look past him. Sam Curran will be our vice-captain. Now he's opening the batting and bowling for Chennai, giving him more chances to maximize on the points that he can earn for you. He's in fact the highest wicket taker for Chennai so far this season with 9 wickets at an economy of under 9. Shikhar Dhawan captain, Sam Curran vice-captain. Shane Watson finds a spot for himself in our top picks. He's in pretty good form, scoring 189 runs in his last 4 innings. Since 2017, he's batted at number 4 on 21 occasions, and his number at 4 suggests it is a suitable position for him. Henrik Nortje has bowled with extreme pace and control this IPL. He's probably been overshadowed by Rabada, but being able to consistently clock 150 plus in that last game with great precision showed that it could work to his advantage and yours if you have him in your side. Faf du Plessis, the last time on our top picks down, his form may have dipped slightly in the last couple of games, and this is probably the ideal venue for him to get back to form. He scored a 37 ball 72 the last time he played at this venue. Even though the pitches have slightly slowed down, it should favour him in this game. So Shikhar Dhawan, Sam Curran, Shane Watson, Henrik Nortje and Faf du Plessis are a part of our top picks. Mr. Manjrekar.
Yes, I think good picks, but I'll also start thinking on the lines of Mahendra Singh Dhoni, who I don't know whether you have him in your 11 or as a substitute, because what we're seeing now with Dhoni is a new approach Dhoni. You know, this is Dhoni in his last few years reinventing himself and going after the bowling from ball number 1, which he hasn't done for many years, and it's paying rich dividends, and you'll see him, go with this tactic. If that's going to happen, there's going to be some good points to win from his efforts.
We shall find out if our think tank agrees with Sanjay. For now, let's take a look at our differential picks. Shardul Thakur is one of the two. Now, he's been a consistent wicket taker for the Chennai side this season. He's picked up at least 1 wicket in every game he's played so far. He could be a useful pick for you. Ravindra Jadeja features here as well as a differential pick. Man of the match in that last game against Hyderabad. He's been contributing with both bat and ball. Now, with the wicket in Sharjah slowing down and turning a little bit, he should be a handful. He's a gun fielder and could definitely contribute with his fielding as well. So Shardul Thakur, Ravindra Jadeja. Now you do have an idea of the 7 players we've picked so far. Who else is in our recommended 11 now? This should answer Sanjay's question. MS Dhoni is the only wicketkeeper in our recommended 11. Among the batsmen, we've got Shreyas Iyer, Faf du Plessis, Shikhar Dhawan and Shane Watson. We are going in with 3 all-rounders. Marcus Stoinis joins Sam Curran and Ravindra Jadeja. And we're going with 3 bowlers in Kagiso Rabada, Nortje and Shardul Thakur. But have a look at our substitutes. Ravichandran Ashwin, Prithvi Shaw, Karan Sharma and Ambati Rayudu. Sanjay, Ashwin in the subs, Akshar Patel, who did well against Delhi the last time they met, not even in the subs. Your thoughts?
Unfortunate, but he's the unsung hero of this IPL. If you look at his performances, he's been given the difficult overs to bowl. Unlike Jadeja, he bowls often in the death. or in the first 6 overs. So it's unfortunate that he's missed out. Ashwin also, should be in the main team as well, because he's had a great season, and in last game again, great economy. So, but there have been such good performance in both teams, so it's not easy to fit everyone in, I guess.
Right, but the one big question on everyone's minds would be, will Shreyas play? If he doesn't play, what do we do? We've got an alternate scenario for you. While we believe Shreyas Iyer is likely to feature in the 11, but if he is unfit and misses out, you can replace him with Ambati Rayudu and Shardul Thakur with a Delhi spinner. A few things to think about. Guess what? We've shown you our 11. You heard from Sanjay. We also have another opinion, which is a slightly radical one. Here's Arjun with his high-risk 11. Take a look.
So I've made 5 changes to the team, expecting CSK to win. Alex Carey comes in for Shikhar Dhawan. Prithvi Shaw comes in for Shane Watson. Ambati Rayudu comes in for Shreyas Iyer. Bravo comes in for Andrik Nokia. And Ravichandran Ashwin comes in for Shardul Thakur. So the thinking is many people would go for Shikhar Dhawan, so I'm not picking him in my team. Alex Carey comes in. Nobody's going to take him. Not a lot of people are going to take him. Prithvi Shaw, I think he's going to perform well. And it's Sharjah. He has a good record against CSK. And that's why I pick him as my vice captain as well. And I'm not sure with Shreyas Iyer's fitness. So Ambati Rayudu comes directly in. He's top of the order. Bravo has performed really well in the last few games. And Sharjah, people are going to go big. And he's smart and he's capable. And so he comes directly in. MS Dhoni is my captain. Not many people are going to pick him. I'm picking him because it's Sharjah. He has a point to prove. It's a top. They're playing against a top team who are in form. CSK have a point to prove too, and I think he's going to come good. This is going to be. I'm hoping this is going to be a Dhoni show. And again, Ravichandran Ashwin, another unlikely pick, off spinner. Just like Washington Sundar did well in the last game in Sharjah. Pitch is slowing down. I'm expecting Ashwin to do well as well. So yeah. It's a high risk team, and I'm fully expecting people not going to go with this 11. So hopefully this is a high reward as well.
Right, thanks Arjun. You've seen everything that you need to before you frame your team. Go get it right, and may you win lots and lots of prizes. For now, thanks so much, Sanjay, for joining us on My 11 Circle Fantasy Pick on ESPN.